Games here, and today another it's kind of a special video. You guys can see right down here, cameraman. And you see, this Rubik's Cube, this is a Chinese Rubik's Cube. It is a pain in the ass to fix. The last piece on is so hard to do. I'm very triggered right now. So, if you could step back, William, so I won't hit you in the face, and zoom in a bit. If you guys hang on technical difficulties, you click that to zoom in and that to zoom out.
Okay.
Are you zooming in on this? Zoom in on that. Okay, ready?
Yep. Oh my gosh.
Swear. Okay. You ready, guys?
For the main
William,
bit.
Zoom in.
I can barely see it. Okay, there. Ah!
Back over here. As you guys can see, this is the stupid main part. I beat the crap out of this thing. Swearing because I'm so tipped off. You bounce run! Oh! Oh! It hit me in the balls! William, did you zoom out? Or is it on my face? Okay, back on here. Shut him up.
Okay, I'm standing back.
That was easy. Peace! Rubik's Cube! I still like him, guys, but it's just the thing that this thing is hard to fix. And because of the fact that my William, over here, that my teacher, William, I'm not joking. Can you zoom out?
Okay.
Others. So, guys, my teacher, I got banned because this thing kept on broken from bringing, well, not banned, but from bringing Rubik's Cubes! I am tipped off! Come on!
Okay. I'm zooming it in on that Rubik's Cube core.
Ready? William?
Wait.
Zoomed in good?
Yeah.
This is for Rubik's Cube haters! Son of a gun, piece of crap! Rubik's Cube! Come on, over here. Get close, come on.
Okay. No, I'm zooming it in. Okay.
Come on, get close.
Okay, let's... Miguel.
No, I'm not done.
Miguel.
Guys, look, come here. Here.
Let me zoom in. I can't see.
So you guys see right here? This is bent. I bent it. Look, here. Look. I bent it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And grab that hammer and
finish you off right now.
you know you stopped smashing it.
Son, Rubik's Cube. Oh, it's imprinted into the ground. Walnut, get out. William, zoom in on this piece right here. You zoomed in?
No, I'm still
You
zooming
can hold
in.
it. You have to hold it.
No,
And it'll do the same thing.
There, done.
Boom.
Okay, torturize this green piece right here. He hasn't experienced it. Now you feel what it's like to be broken. Torturize him.
William, move. You're gonna get your head hurt. He's a bad cameraman. William, can you zoom out and zoom in on my face? William, you can hold it. Hold it.
Yeah, I'm holding it.
See? Let's get over here and have some fun.
You white piece.
William, stop. Just you record.
That son of a core.
Okay, trigger me. Come on, bring it up.
Okay, I'm zooming in on that Rubik's Cube piece.
This Rubik's Cube. Come on, William. I'm not angry at you. I'm angry at this.
Ouch.
Ready? You zoomed in?
Wait. I can't find the core. It's too zoomed in. Oh, there it is. Found it.
Stupid. Nab it. Rubik's Cube.
Oh, wait, a nail's coming out of it.
I know. I don't care, because this Rubik's Cube needs torture. Rubik's Cube is what you get. You've been in there long enough, so now you face my wrath. Oh, and also smile to you too. Snapped it in half. Look, guys, I won.
Let's give them the results.
That
Is the remains.
William, here, let's get this guy. Sum up.
How about
Okay, William, can you make
let's
a
do
focus?
this?
Oh, William, you're supposed to be recording. Jerk.
If you guys know my new
William, just. Alright, well, let's finish. You are the lucky, not so lucky for you, one. You ready? I hate you. Son of a. Okay, well, continued over here one last time. Who's your daddy now?
Miguel, you forgot a white
William,
piece.
come over here.
You forgot a
come over
white
here.
piece.
William, look, zoom in on my face. Who's your daddy now? Mister. Who's your daddy? William.
Oh, and
Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy now? Who is he? Me.
and Miguel.
William, here, can you zoom in over here? Zoom in, right here. Okay, ready? Swear! Who's your daddy?
Miguel, you forgot these two pieces.
Oh, forgot him! You have to just can you just not talk?
Okay.
Is that okay?
Sorry.
Keep on focusing on whatever I look at, okay? Son of a move, William, or I don't want to hit your feet. God.
Miguel, that was the one that I was facing at. If you guys didn't notice,
Okay, ready?
the final piece.
Torture, pain, and suffer. Here we go. Yeah. Okay, guys. So, here, you can hold it. Are you holding it? Because I can hear you
Yeah.
clicking. Guys, so this right here, this thing is the core. Hate them most. And guys, I'm going to end this video here. Please make sure to smash that like button just like I smashed this doggone Rubik's Cube to pieces. So, I want to hit 50 likes. Not so help me. But if y'all guys make sure to subscribe, follow for more videos from Miguel Games, then do that right now. Just do it. Okay, my brother stopped the clip, but as always, guys, peace out.